a little bit at a time. We're going to chop out up an angle and work our way down. To our line. Now that snaps off cleanly because I've got this shape running through. Snapping off in chunks, as long as I'm not taking too much out. So let's take a little tiny bit more out here. Right, so now we're going to actually pair off like we did before. Both hands behind the chisel edge, so I'm going to spin around and come in from the other side using a stiffer size chisel. Now I've got a high point there, so just remove that. There we go. Let's flatten this off. Line that side and this side at the same time. Can you see it does that? We come in, it's doing that. So now we're going to see if the joints actually go together. So we take our dovetail up on here, and with a bit of pressure, that should drop in. Now if you find it hard to push in, you can take your off-cut of timber, put it on, and then just gently, we should find ourselves, when it goes up, that's square, okay, a bit of luck again. So we have a dovetail housing, it's gone in, finishing flush, finishing smooth across the face.